don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a master technician today.
All right, Jeremiah here with RVFix. So we got one of the 2025 Go Lights here. This is our boulder back floor plan, and I will be showing you how to summarize it. Now, it is similar to the other floor plans for the Go Light, but here we go. So the first thing we're going to want to do is, one, we want to put the cap here on our water heater. So it's just a plastic cap, and then you can put a socket with a wrench on there, and you're just going to snug it down. Don't overdo it because it is Teflon. And that is going to be a 15/16 socket. The other one is your drain plug for your fresh tank. So we're going to go around to the other side, and it is located directly under the steps here. So we're going to have to fold these up, and we are going to be down underneath the trailer. You can see the blue line hanging down right here, and we're just going to screw this into your fresh tank drain. Get her nice and snug so it don't leak. Then what we can do is we'll get out. You're going to take your hose, and we got our freshwater fill right here. So this is going to go directly into our fresh tank. You can just stick your hose in there. They do make the attachments that go in there so you can shove it down, but usually they're big enough for a hose. And then we're going to turn the water on. All right, so right now we're filling our fresh tank. So we got our water turned on. So as we come in here, we can just look at our gauge here. So we're showing empty still, so we're going to let that fill. While we do that, we're going to go ahead and locate our water pump and just make sure that that's in the correct position, as sometimes it does get left in that winterize. So we're going to use a number 2 square tip here, and down here under the fridge there's a panel with 2 screws. So we're going to remove this. Now sometimes these panels are a little tight, so if you just kind of put the screw tip in one hole, you can grab it and pull it out. Don't lose your screws. Now your water pump's down here, so here's your winterize line. So we just want to make sure that this valve is perpendicular with the line that goes down through the floor, which it is. So this one is good to go. Now we can go ahead and turn our pump on right here. And then we'll go to our sink. And we're going to run all of that RV antifreeze out. Solid clear, no more pink. We're going to switch sides to the other side and do the same thing. Good to go there. We'll head into the bathroom, and we are going to do the same thing. Don't know if we're all going to fit in here. So we're going to do the faucet here. We can just do it right into the toilet so we don't make a mess all over the floor. Once you got clear water, go ahead and do your other side. There's our shower fixture. And then for our toilet, we're just going to push down the foot valve. Wait for clear water. There's the toilet. One last thing, just monitor our tank. So we're at 2/3, so I'm gonna go ahead and shut that water off. Last thing is we just gotta take our water heater out of bypass. So our water heater's in bypass because we don't want to put antifreeze in there inside the tank. So as we come down here, you can see that there's a valve on each side of here. We're just gonna turn these valves, and you can hear the pump kick on. What that's going to do is that's going to fill your hot water heater. Do not want to run that when it's empty. Then we're going to come up to our faucet, and you're going to see there's almost no flow coming out of it now. It's just going to push all that air out. Now this may take a few minutes. Just depends on your coach and where all the water lines run. We'll check back in with you when this is already filled. Getting to the end, got a lot of air coming out. Any second now you can get that water coming out of here, and then we'll be ready to go. last little bit of antifreeze out of that bypass section. And then we're going to shut it off. So now that your unit is got water in it, what I do is I like to sit there and wait, make sure that water pump doesn't cycle. If it starts cycling, could mean that you have a leak somewhere, or it could mean that you have a water pump that just needs to be dialed in a little bit on the pressure and the stops there. But this is how you summarize your Go Lite boulder back trailer.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry, we're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a master technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.